What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. As you can tell by the title, today is another episode of Cooking with Manders. So today we are cooking cauliflower cheese soup. I do not follow a recipe, so I will link all the ingredients in the description box below and a little bit of my instructions. However, this is one of those things that you can really just kind of make it up as you go. You just want to make sure you have a solid base for your recipe. So without further ado, if you've been here before, welcome back. And if it's your first time, welcome. I am so excited you guys are here with me. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Let's get right into the cooking. I will see you in a second. So I've put my butter in, and I'm just going to turn the pot on to 300 until it starts to melt. Yes, that's a lot of butter, but I want to saute the onions before I add the flour. It'll melt evenly without burning. And I'm going to add the onions now so that they can saute up nicely with the butter. So I just chopped one medium-sized sweet Vidalia onion for this. And I'm just going to mix that all in together and let it come to a slow simmer. Salt first, pepper second. I'll add more as I continue cooking, but for now, I'm just going to add it to taste. Now I have measured out close 5 to 6 tablespoons of flour, so I'm just mixing it in now to create the roux. I'm going to stir that all up. Step is we're going to take the Campbell's chicken broth, and I'm just going to add it. I'm going to add the whole thing, and I'm going to leave this and let this come to a boil. Water just to give it a little bit more liquid. As well, just to make it a little bit creamier. I don't know why it's not boiling though. It's not working. A little bit more pepper. Now, I'm going to add my cauliflower so that it can cook. You can do this either way. You can cook it ahead of time or you can cook it after. I've chose to wait. I'm just going to let it simmer in here for a while. And I'm going to turn. And once this is done simmering, I will be back to add some more ingredients.
There you go. Boiling away.
All right, so now that we have it boiling, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it down, and I'm going to add half of a block of Velveeta cheese. I'm just
your husband's.
We're going to mix this in. Slowly. Pat. I'm going to put the lid back on it, and I'm going to keep checking periodically. And the final step is, now that the cauliflower has cooked, the onions are good, the Velveeta cheese has melted, I'm going to add the medium cheddar cheese. Now I'm not going to add all of this, but I am going to add it as I go and just mix it in until it is as cheesy as I want. So, a couple handfuls to start, and we're going to mix it. I love this pot so much. It not only is an electric pot, it also works as a deep fryer, which I think is pretty darn cool. My mom bought it for me in Florida. And you can add as much cheese as you desire. I probably will put most of this in there because I prefer having really cheesy cauliflower soup. And guys, I know you can't smell it, but it smells freaking amazing. Smell-o-vision. A bit more cheesy. I'm gonna add a little bit more, and then I'm gonna toss the rest of the cheese into the fridge for later. Because you can top it off as a garnish when it's ready to eat. And I will be back when we are ready to eat this, and we are going to test it on film for you so that you can see what our final thoughts are on our Sunday morning cooking. And what's up, beauties? We are ready to test the soup that we have made. Pat is not going to eat it with us because he said he's not hungry. So I'm going to let you know what I think of it. So this is my cauliflower cheese soup. As you can see, it's very, very hot. So I haven't tried it yet, so this will be a first impression. I have made this in the past, however, I've used heavy whipping cream or table cream instead of milk. So this time I decided just to go for the milk because I wanted to use what I had. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt and pepper to it before I eat my next bowl. But so far, it's really cheesy. It's not too thick. It will thicken up as time goes on, so probably by tomorrow it'll be a little thicker, but it's really yummy. And I really like using the Velveeta cheese. Now I have substituted the Velveeta cheese just for regular cheese. I've also used cream cheese before, and I've got to tell you, it's a toss-up between whether or not I like the Velveeta cheese better, but not bad, not bad. And the cauliflower is the perfect consistency. This is the first time I cooked the cauliflower in the soup, and I'm glad I did that. So this is definitely a win. It is the crappiest day here. It is a soup kind of day. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. A thumbs down if you don't. Thumbs down's for Pat. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Thank you so much for enjoying this soup with me, and I will see you later.